Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the Cigman Laser Distance Meter. Let's check this little guy out here. Got the user's manual. It's a pretty sweet little case. A charging cable, little lanyard, and very thick user manual there. Nice color. Looks like it'll be easy to use. So if you're tired of using like a tape measure for like measuring things, put this little lanyard through there if we want. Look at that, that's pretty slick looking. Powered on. All right, so it just basically shoots out this little laser. Also has a level, so what level, like we can see what zero, oh, my table is level, that's cool. And then we can measure in feet. So if we just press the measure button here, and it shows a little laser like on the wall, and then how many feet that is away from me. So 8.6. So if I take this measurement, I can just set it right here, hit the measure button. It's going to measure to the wall and that little laser there, and then I move it around. It adjusts how far away it is. That's 7. I think I have to hit measure every time. So that's 6.55 feet. It shows like the previous ones too. And this is 6.33. If I move this back about a foot and measure, 7.63. So almost an exact foot. Very handy. This has different functions too. As you can see, we can do an area, volume, a Pythagorean, angle, level. Let's, oh, check that out. So if you need to level something, that's pretty sweet. And get it centered. Let's see how level my table is. Oh wow, almost perfect. So we got an X -3%. Okay, just canter it this way, just a hair. Pretty close. It's very accurate. That's pretty sweet. It's got a ton of different things on here. A measuring tape. You can adjust the brightness on here as well, and the settings. I don't even know how to do. I would have to look up the instruction on how to do that. But sweet little device, guys. Seems like very accurate as well. Much lighter than a tape measure, and also, I wonder what the distance on this is. 262 feet. So a lot more lightweight and compact. If you've ever worked by yourself and you're trying to measure something and hold a tape measure out long distance, and it just, you know, you almost need 2 people. So with this, you can just set it there, hit the measure, and you're good to go. So that's pretty sweet. Very handy tool. I'll be probably using this a lot. Well, every time I do like projects and stuff, I'm like, oh man, it'd be nice to have this, or it'd be nice to have that. So yeah. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. Hope it's helpful. Very sweet. I can't, like I said, it has all these other different features on here. Like, how would I even do this? Like, measure. And I'll try to do like a volume. So, measure. Okay. Oh, okay. And then it tells like volume. Oh, that's crazy. So if I wanted to measure like the volume of a room or something like that, or so you do square footage, you just put this in the corner. This isn't gonna come in super handy. So yeah, I'll be using this a lot, I think. The laser's pretty bright too, you can see it on there. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this review. There's that little pouch there, we can just turn it off. I like that very much. All right guys, we'll see you next time.